We're good with it. Right now, the pack just landed. Just got a little package from Angelus, so I figured I should do a super quick, nice, light video for y'all. Since I ain't been posting in so long, I gotta catch up, man. Even though this video might be a couple minutes long, it don't matter. So let's get into it, see what I done ordered. And oh yeah, shout out to Count Dripula, my dog, man. Seen my video, and man sent me a whole gift card, bro, to go get some paint. So I used that to the best of my abilities, you feel me? I actually end up like, I finessed that card pretty well. So Angelus end up having a sale like last week, 2 ago. I don't know when I ordered this stuff. It just came in like literally a few seconds ago. But I end up using that. Like I told y'all, I do whatever I preach to y'all, I do it. So it was 20% off. So I used the little gift card, right? It was a little bit over. I end up paying only like $2 for all this paint. So shout out Count Dripula, my dog, man. I really appreciate that for real, because your boy needed some paint. This is how you know I needed paint. I ain't up getting a bunch of little joints. So I need this bad as I don't know what. This came in perfect time because I gotta get some shoes done. But I got yellow. I'ma just breeze through all this. I got yellow. Oh, we got hot pink. Just take my word for it. I know y'all can't see it. I'm sorry, I gotta shake it up. It's a habit, man. Grinch green. I've been needing some of this. You know, I'll be doing my cartoons and stuff like that. And avocado. Like I tell y'all, it's fall is approaching. Well, fall really here. That's why you see, boy, I got the hoodie on, you know, yeah. But gotta switch it up a little bit. Start doing like more fall type of customs and stuff like that. Pale yellow. Yeah, this needs to be shaking up. This, oh no, they must kind of. Hold on, y'all, cause I got some pale yellow. Y'all tell me, man. Hold on, let me turn this brightness down a little bit. Y'all tell me, bruh. Don't they look different? I don't know, maybe I'm tripping. It don't matter. But anyway, pale yellow, had to caught that. I used that quite a bit. Damn, I bought another light green. For some reason. I didn't know I already had some light blue. Cause y'all know, I ain't gonna give them all the sauce to keep ripping me off. Cause folks can use my design, but it's all good. It is what it is. I got Persian pink. I got for cheddar. I needed that. Fall, you know what I'm saying? Then chocolate. Another fall, you feel me? Hold on, we got one more fall playing the same. You feel what I'm saying? So I definitely got right with the fall colors and stuff like that, because I'm about to do some new projects and things that I'm gonna say I haven't really done all the way. I've done something similar, but you know. Then I got these caps, right? Because y'all know I like to get the bigger bottles and stuff like that, but a lot of times, you know, you keep pouring it, the cap gets like caked up paint on it and stuff like this. It's inevitable that the paint is gonna start drying up on there and all that. You keep on twisting, pouring, twisting, and all that kind of stuff. So I got these little caps so I could, that guy. That was a heck of a way of explaining it. But I got some paint markers. Boom. How many did I get? Did I get one or two? I don't know. I think I got one paint marker. So boom. Then I got some more little paint tips just in case that mug dry out. I think I already got some too. Then of course, when you order a certain amount of stuff, they hook you up with a little air freshener or a sticker or something like that. Sometimes both. I also got some laces. Definitely been wanting these because I don't know what shoes I'm gonna put them in exactly. Hold on. Okay, so as y'all can see, these are like the union type of laces, you know, that have one color, have the other, whatever. So what I was thinking, I actually didn't know it was gonna be like this orangish tint. I ain't know it's gonna have that, but I think it'll still pop off with the Palomino joints. I don't know. I may do that a whole separate video. I'm gonna start doing smaller videos for y'all. Well, I guess this month and for the rest of the year, just to keep on, you know what I'm saying, pumping stuff out there so y'all can get your daily fix or your every other, sometime 3-4 time a week fix of the cadet. You feel me? But I'll do another video on how this turned out and putting them in there and all that kind of stuff, how I lace my stuff. But anyway, continuing the box. Okay, y'all, I was wrong. I did end up buying another paint marker, and this is like a fine tip one. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all can tell the difference in these, but it is a difference. So I did get 2 of them, and then that last but not least, I got the Angelus matte 4-coat. You know, the scratch resistant joint and all that kind of stuff. So I recommend y'all using these, man. Sorry, Angelus, but the other finishers, it's honestly at this point, it's no reason for you buying them. These are way better, just being honest with you. They scratch resistant, of course, still waterproof like all Angelus stuff, but it's scratch resistant, and the sheen is actually what it says on the bottle. So it's closer to what it says on the bottle. So like the matte is an actual matte. The factory is actual factory type of deal. The flat is super flat. So I recommend using the 4 coats, because it's just a better finisher, just being honest. You know what I'm saying? If you want to use the other stuff, that's on you, but coming from a professional, I do this full time, so you can take my word for it. Use the 4 coat, y'all. Highly recommend it. I can't recommend it enough. But anyway, that is it for the unboxing, man. Shout out to Angelus, and shout out one time again for my dog count Dripula for helping your boy out with that little gift card, saving your boy some chicken, because I was gonna have to buy it anyway, y'all. And you know them folk hit me for everything I had. But it's all good though, man. God is good. I got my dogs in my corner, you feel me, looking out for me. We just caught the new heat press. Hey, it's finna go back crazy. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, it's been, hold on now. Subscribe, man. Join the squad, you hear me? But it's been your boy. I'ma catch you in the net, you hear me?